I can still remember training a new hire at my old job. I spent half the day taking screenshots, writing step-by-step instructions, and formatting them into a clunky PDF. By the time I finished, I was exhausted, and the new hire was still confused. That's when I first learned about Scribe AI, and I instantly thought, where was this when I needed it? Scribe AI is built for anyone who's tired of wasting time documenting processes. Instead of manually writing instructions, you just turn on Scribe while you work. As you click through your tasks, it automatically captures every step, takes screenshots, and compiles them into a clean, professional guide you can share instantly. It feels like magic because what used to take hours now happens in minutes. Imagine you're onboarding a new team member to your CRM. Normally, you'd walk them through each step on a Zoom call, repeat the process multiple times, and still get Slack messages asking, "How do I do that again?" With Scribe, you record the process once, and it generates a step-by-step playbook with text and visuals. Now your new hire can follow along without ever bothering you again. The real power of Scribe is how effortless it makes knowledge sharing. Teams can create a library of guides that live in one place, so training, SOPs, and customer onboarding become standardized. You can customize steps, blur sensitive information, and even embed scribes directly into tools your team already uses. And because it's AI-driven, the formatting and clarity are always polished without you lifting a finger. Of course, it's not perfect. If your process involves a lot of nuanced decision-making, Scribe won't capture the why behind your actions. It's more about the how. You'll still need to add context sometimes. And while it works beautifully for most software, there can be occasional hiccups with more complex workflows that require extra edits. So who should use Scribe AI? Honestly, anyone who's sick of repeating themselves. Whether you're training employees, supporting customers, or simply keeping track of your own processes, Scribe cuts out the busy work and gives you back your time. If you've ever lost hours creating tutorials or wished you could clone yourself during training, Scribe AI might just be the tool that changes how your team shares knowledge. And if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe for more honest reviews. I'll keep testing the tools so you don't have